The 2014 Toyota Corolla keeps its frugal, responsible core, but adds a lot more verve. It has been one of the best-selling small sedans in the U.S. market for decades, and its penny-pinching, trouble-free reputation. Under the hood of the Corolla, you'll find one 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, powered by a base 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine rated at 132 horsepower and 128 pound-feet of torque. The overall length of the Corolla is now up to nearly 183 inches, placing it at what, just a few years ago, would have made it one of the more compact mid-sized. Wheelbase is up a significant 3.9 inches, which translates almost entirely to backseat space. The Corolla has achieved top 5-star safety scores in frontal and side impact areas, resulting in a 5-star score from the federal government. In Insurance Institute for Highway Safety testing, the Corolla earned top good ratings in frontal, side, rear, and roof strength tests, available at US Cars.